Supsy daisy peeps, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruben and today I'm making this cheap do-it-yourself cake pan light by Daniel Schiffer. Like most camera lovers on YouTube, I'm a big fan of Daniel Schiffer.
He's so cool. He's so sexy.
Sorry, I saw him making this light and I really wanted to try it myself. So, here we go. What do you need? A cake pan, the bigger the better. A small rig super clamp, diffusion fabric, a LED strip, make sure it's daylight, and tape. Lots of tape. Step 1. Tape the cake pan shut. Because I went for a cake pan with a removable bottom, I had to tape it shut. Normally the bottom goes on the inside, but I thought it was more convenient to tape it to the outside. Step 2. Add the LED strip. After being confused about the ending of the LED strip, open the manual and see that you have to cut it off. So did I. Then you take the end of the strip, peel back the paper and press the sticky part to the inside. It might seem weird to put it on the sides of the cake pan, but you really want a reflection instead of direct light. That way it will end up softer. Continue adding it to the side and don't mind any gaps. These are good for reflection. I did a lousy job, so don't mind if you do. It will end up just fine. Make sure the end of the LED strip sticks out of the cake pan because we'll need to connect that later to turn it on. Step 3. Add the clamp. This step is super important. Make sure to open the clamp, add it to the cake pan, be confused, change your mind and remove the clamp. Step 4. Add the diffusion fabric. Put your cake pan on the diffusion fabric and cut out a piece that's a bit bigger than the cake pan itself. Repeat that process because you'll want 2 of those sheets on the light. Why? Because Daniel Schiffer said so.
He's so smart.
I wrapped the sheets around the cake pan and taped it to the back. Super professional. Step 5. Add the clamp again. Yes, this time it's for real, I promise. This clamp from Small Rig has 2 different threaded holes, so you can easily mount it on a tripod or a light stand. Step 6. Plug it in. Now the moment of truth. You can see it flickers, but that's because it isn't fully turned on. When it is, it works perfectly. Daniel spent around 40 bucks, but I had to spend a bit more. Here's my shopping list. There will be affiliate links in the description where you can find all the stuff I used. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, that will make a big difference for me. I would love to see you in the next video. Goodbye beeps. Brip, bip, bip.